Hello friends, we are on lecture number 2 today. Yesterday's lecture was just an introduction lecture. So today we are starting actually discussing the papers. So I'm on lecture 2 and today we are going to discuss May 2018 paper. May 2018 paper. I'm assuming all of you are ready with your printed copy of notes. You have got the copy printed and it is in front of you. It is in front of me also. So I'll take you to those printed notes. From there we'll discuss. So I'm here on May 2018 exam paper, right? Just keep your printed copy as I have kept it here. Let's go. First of all, you know the format of question paper, but I'll discuss it once. Question 1 is compulsory in your exam. Question 1 is compulsory, which is of 20 marks. And then you have to solve any 4 questions out of remaining 5. Each question carries 20 marks. So out of remaining 5 questions, you have to solve 4, any 4. So that is a big choice, any 4. So 4 into 20. So these are 80 marks and one compulsory question 20. This is how your 100 marks paper is. So just I wanted to discuss it once with you, the format of your question paper. Now, those students who love practical questions, generally they skip the theory question, which is generally the last question. And if somebody is weak in practical question or if practical questions are very difficult, then you can rely on theory. My advice will always be that please prepare theory also, because if the question paper is difficult, you can switch over to theory. So theory is always a margin of safety. So I would prefer you to complete or read theory as well. Okay. All right. Let's begin. Question 1 is generally divided into 4 parts, A, B, C, D, which are 5 marks each. And I have given the question and answer below. Please be ready with your calculator also. So I am also ready with my calculator, right? Let's go. Question 1A. Messrs X Private Limited is manufacturing a special product which requires a component sky blue. The following particulars are available for the year ended 31st March 2018. Your annual demand for that sky blue is 12,000 units. Cost of placing one order is 1,800. Cost per unit of sky blue is 640. And carrying cost per annum is 18.75. It's carrying cost per annum. The company has been offered a quantity discount of 5% on the purchase of sky blue, provided the order size is 3,000 components at a time. So if you directly order 3,000 components in one stroke, then you may get 5% discount. Now you are required to compute the economic order quantity, and second question is advise whether the quantity discount offer can be accepted. So there are 2 questions, my dear friends, here. 2 questions. One is computation of EOQ, another is decision regarding whether we should accept the discount offer or not. So we'll go one by one, right? Answers are already printed, so you need not worry. You should pay attention to discussion more and you should calculate the answer. You should try to calculate the answer on calculator. First, we'll go to this first question, that is economic order quantity. This can be calculated using Wilson's square root formula. Wilson's square root formula. You know this formula is 2 into your annual requirement. Annual requirement is 12,000. Wilson's formula, right? I'm assuming that you have all studied this subject in the regular batch and now it is only a revision through paper discussion. Into ordering cost per order is 1,800, that is ordering cost per order, divided by, you have to divide it by carrying cost per unit per annum, and carrying cost per unit per annum can be calculated as 640 into 18.75. So 640 into 18.75%, you will get carrying cost of 1 unit for 1 year. So 640 into 18.75%, check how much it is. I think it comes to 120. And now apply the calculator, see how much answer you get. 2 into 12,000 into 1,800 divided by 120. You have to first press the button is equal to, numerator divided by denominator is equal to, and then press square root. Are you getting my point? Numerator divided by denominator, the whole answer you will calculate first, that is equal to, and then square root. Now you press the square root. I think answer is 600. So 600 units is your EOQ. Economic order quantity is 600. Numerator divided by denominator is equal to, and then square root. Now second part of the question says that you have to check whether the discount offer should be accepted or not. Now here what we have to do, as the purchase price is changing, because you will get 5% discount, so purchase cost will also change. So you have to take the total of three cost. Which three cost? Purchase cost, carrying cost, and ordering cost. Purchase cost, carrying cost, and ordering cost. We will take total of these three costs at EOQ. At EOQ means at 600 units. Then we will calculate same three cost at order size of 3000 units, because discount you will get only when order size is 3000. So we will calculate same cost, total of three cost at 3000 units order size. Now we will compare the two cost. What is the total cost at 600 units, that is at EOQ, and what is the total cost per annum at 3000 units, and whichever cost is lower, that cost or that alternative we will select. So we will have to prepare a table comparing the cost, and that table I must have already prepared. So let us go ahead. See here, first answer I have given, there is carrying cost per unit per annum is calculated denominator, and using the Wilson square root formula your answer is 600. Now we are going for second one. So I will take you through the table, evaluation of quantity discount offer. Now one column is for EOQ, which is 600 units, and one is discount offer. Your annual demand is 12,000, 12,000. Annual requirement is same, which is given in the question. But your order size here is EOQ, that is 600, and here the supplier is telling you that you should order minimum 3000 units to get the discount. Now we will get number of orders. Number of orders is A divided by B, that is annual demand divided by order size. So here we will be placing 20 orders, each order of 600 units. 12,000 divided by 600. So 600 units you will have to give 20 orders. Here 12,000 divided by 3000, you have to give only 4 orders. Now our total annual ordering cost depends upon number of orders. So we will get annual ordering cost. The cost of placing one order is 1800 into number of orders, that is point number C into 1800. If you do, you will get total ordering cost here. Right, all this you are aware of. Please keep doing the calculations with me. Right. So this is your total ordering cost. Now purchase price. Purchase price for each unit is 640, and here you will get a discount of 5%. So 640 minus 5%, your purchase price per unit will become 608. Now your annual purchase cost. Annual purchase cost is your point number A, that is annual requirement into purchase price. A into E. A into E, you will get annual cost of purchase 76,80,000, 72,96,000. Naturally, the purchase cost will be lower if you get a discount. Now we'll have to calculate carrying cost per unit per annum. Carrying cost per unit per annum, that is purchase price written in E into 18.75%. Point number E into 18.75%. So carrying cost 120, which we had already calculated earlier for EOQ, but for discount it will become 114. Now I hope you remember that carrying cost per unit per annum is to be multiplied by average inventory. To be multiplied by average inventory to convert it into total carrying cost. So average inventory is half of order size. So it is B divided by C. B is your order size, that is 600 and 3000. 600 and 3000 is your order size divided by 2. So average inventory is 300 and 1500 is your average inventory. And now carrying cost per unit per annum into average inventory. This will give you total carrying cost. So your annual total carrying cost will be G into H. So this is your total carrying cost. Now you have to take the total of three costs. One is this ordering cost, one is this purchase cost, and one is this carrying cost. So you have to take the total of D plus F plus I. So we'll get total annual cost. Total annual cost comes to 77,52,000. Total of these three, which I have marked as star. And here it comes to 74,74,200. Now you will notice that total cost is lower after discount. Total cost is lower after discount. It means we should accept the discount offer. So your recommendation will be that yes, we should accept the quantity discount offer. Quantity discount offer means if you place the order for higher quantity, you will get some discount in the price. So that discount is acceptable. So that answer you have to write in the exam. That is your conclusion. So your advice is that considering the lower cost, it is advisable to accept the 5% discount offer. I think friends, it's a very simple question for 5 marks, right? Let's move to question 1B.